Welcome everybody, this is Rusty at Rusty Fine Outdoors. Today we're fishing out of Port St. Joe. We're looking for some sea trout or anything else that bites. Alright, the kayak's all set up, we're ready to go. It's a beautiful area out here. Port St. Joe is a bay. A lot of sea trout, got some redfish, some sharks that are swimming around. The XI3 is a wonderful addition to the kayak. So depending on your situation, whether you're looking for a pedal kayak or putting a trolling motor on your kayak, it's really individual preference and where you're fishing. For places like here out on the bay, I like the XI3. It gets you where you need to go and you're not having to pedal the whole way. Both of them in shallow water, whether you have to pull the XI3 up and paddle or you have to take the pedals off and paddle, it's really one and the same. I think the biggest difference is with the XI3 you've got to carry a lithium battery and put it onto the kayak and hook it up. Where on a pedal drive you just have to drop the pedal drive in and you're good to go. It's really individual preference. Came back in a cove looking for some bait. Found a little pinfish. Gonna use that for bait out in the bay. All right, there we go. All right, what we got here? A giant channel cat. Well, that'll do it for Port St. Joe. Due to the constant rain all day, on and off, we're going to call it a day. So please check back in for future fishing videos. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.